This is also instructive, just kind of seeing how I use technology, right? Like I've got screen recording software. You can see my voice being picked up by the mic. You can see down here in the bottom right, the seconds ticking away and that we're recording. And then I'm going to combine that with video from this camera. I like photography and film and YouTube vlogging. I think it's totally fun and amazing. People, humans, have an innate desire to connect with other humans because we're social creatures. 3 primary directives of the human mind: survive, procreate, belong. Because you have to belong to increase the probability of your survival, and you have to belong if you want to procreate. So the finger that ended up. Nobody procreates by themselves, ever, as humans. It's never happened. You have to belong. Survive, procreate, belong. 3 primary directives of the human brain as humans. And then we lay out culture, religion, all this other stuff on top and get confused. But at its base level, survive, procreate, belong. And I don't know why I started talking about that. Oh, because I think humans, social creatures, belong. It's one of the primary directives. And we want to belong. And we used to write on cave walls. And then we had the oral tradition where people would sit around the campfire and talk story. Who knows, probably talking story came first. And they memorized the Odyssey and the Iliad. And then we had writing, and then the printing press, and then pictures and photography, or painting and drawing, and then pictures and photography, and then the motion picture, right? And now we have anybody is able to make movies. When I started out at UCLA studying film and television, like, you wanted to make a movie is expensive, like $40,000 in the 80s, $60,000. Get the film, a camera, get it developed, get a razor, cut stuff to get. It was hard. Now, like, you all can, like, pull out your cell phone and be like, so I'm standing in Fresno State College, I'm about to go to class, it's going to be interesting, I'll try to sneak a few videos, and then I'll post it, edit it in here, and you guys will get a sense of what my computer concept teachers like, Todd McLeod, if you ever want to take them, I'll throw some of that in. And you can make that little video just as you're like going through your life and edit it and throw it on YouTube. And then people might watch it, and you could help other people and share your experience and monetize it and make a little money. Wow. So I think creating videos is fun. Vlogging is fun.